Demystifying Ribosome, the protein factory. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to explore a term not commonly encountered in everyday conversations but pivotal in the realm of biology. Let's dive into the fascinating world of ribosomes. Ribosomes are tiny structures found within our cells. They are often described as the protein factories of the cell. Why? Because they play a crucial role in producing proteins, which are vital for the functioning and structure of all living organisms. The term ribosome can be broken down into two parts. Ribo, which originates from ribonucleic acid, commonly known as RNA. Some, a suffix in biology often used to indicate a body or a structure. So, in essence, ribosome signifies a structure related to RNA. And indeed, ribosomes are made up of ribosomal RNA, rRNA, and proteins. Ribosomes are like the chefs of the cell. Just as chefs take raw ingredients to create dishes, ribosomes take amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, and link them together in a specific order, following the instructions given by the cell's DNA. This process is called protein synthesis. Every function in our body, from moving our muscles to digesting food, relies on proteins. Hence, ribosomes play an indispensable role in keeping us alive and well. 1. Size matters. Ribosomes are very small. So small that they can only be seen under an electron microscope. 2. Abundance. If you were to count, there are millions of ribosomes in a single cell. 3. Two places at once. Ribosomes can either be found floating freely in the cell's liquid called cytoplasm or attached to a structure called the endoplasmic reticulum. There you have it. We've unveiled the mysteries behind the term ribosome. So, the next time you hear this word, remember the crucial role these tiny factories play in our cells. We hope this video illuminated a new corner of the English language for you. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!